back. Krista joins us now for a look at around the region. And Krista, unfortunately, our first stop is something that people deal with that's very similar.
Yes, Sean, it's a terrible thing to have to deal with. Experts say numbers are only increasing. That is, Alzheimer's is a very serious disease. It impacts the memory and the day-to-day life of those who are diagnosed.
This is anything but a rare disease. This is a pandemic.
Hundreds of people gathered at Grace United Church in Barrie this afternoon to learn more about Alzheimer's. Dr. Sharon Cohen of the Toronto Memory Program spoke about current trends, treatments, and trials.
In Canada, we have 25,000 new cases a year, and the number is just going to keep rising. So I like not to focus on the horror story. I like to take some action. What can we do here? We've got to care for people. We need the appropriate resources to make early diagnosis and help people navigate a bad disease. But we also need to focus on how are we going to get rid of this disease.
The Toronto Memory Program also offers cheek swabs, which use your DNA to determine a person's genetic risk for the disease.